last tools video of the year, so make sure you leave a like. Today we're checking out a bunch of new tools, resources and assets which are super exciting, and I wanted to share it with you. So without further ado, let's just get started with it. Tome is bringing the next generation of presentation tool sets using AI. You can literally tell the type of presentation you want to create, just explain your presentation and it will create it for you using AI. If you have a design project you want to showcase to your team or to stakeholders, this can be a savior for you. Not only will AI create more than half the things for you already, it add and create content for you. It allows you to quickly style elements. For example, type in moving car background and you'll get a moving car in your background. That's how easy this is to use. The great thing is that you can attach Figma, Spline, tweets, whatever you like, you can attach here as well. So this can also be a great way to display your portfolio projects, etc. So it can turn into like a little site for your portfolio as well. And the crazy thing is that it's actually responsive. So whichever platform you want to create for will have a responsive design all throughout. They also have an iOS app, so if you're on the move, you can also do these things. There's a really cool graphical resource I wanted to share with you. It's called Liquid Wave. Boy, if this resource was worth a couple of dollars also, I would have bought it. It's so good. These amazing gradients and wave can take your design to the next level. It's great for Instagram, presentations, websites, and even UI design. Apart from that, background is a really cool resource that I found. You can find a lot more artwork here to kind of utilize with your UIs, etc. Again, this one's $0 with attribution. So go ahead, check it out. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about Clipdrop. I've featured this product before. New AI tool from there is incredible. You put in anything you like and it makes that thing appear in any environment. For example, there's this wine glass. It can appear on a table or in the middle of some water or on top of a tree, whatever you like. But I wish it was out of the pro plan soon and we can actually place anything on a background. I think it's just cool to see something like this. Now, since we're talking about AI, do you know Figma, our favorite design tool, has acquired a new AI and machine learning startup? And the website itself states that they're going to work together to create more accessible and usable products. Apart from that, Figma just posted some jobs of machine learning engineers and AI engineers over at their company. So I think it is a big deal. And we're going to see a lot of AI features in the coming year. If you want me to cover this as a complete separate video, then make sure you comment down below and say. More intriguing is that Figma hasn't announced it separately. It was made as a soft announcement and I somehow picked up on it. Peech is the talk of the town because this is a one-of-a-kind content creation tool which works on AI. It basically allows you to upload any video content and it edits and creates stuff around that video content. So it recognizes people's faces, names, basically brands your entire video and creates video idea, and it also cuts your video for you. So if you're oohing during your video, it'll probably cut it out. And it is collaborative, so your entire team or team of people will be able to use this tool at once. Yeah, so apparently AI is coming for video editors too. I'm just kidding. Lottie just announced its own Lottie editor called Lottie Creator, which allows you to create Lottie animations on the web on the go. So all those After Effects tool sets you use to create cool Lottie animations for your UI designs, all that cool stuff will be available with Lottie Creator. And what's better is that you get access to all the Lottie files out there. So you can just drag and drop and then edit according to your own need. Not only that, it has a lot of presets. So a lot of people who don't know how to animate Lottie animations for themselves can use their presets with any design file. You can literally just pick up an icon or an illustration and start animating just like that. You can even create interactive Lottie. So if you hover over something will happen. That's the whole concept. And the best part is it's combined with all the team as well as individual tools that they have already built. This design book has been trending and you guys need to get this. This is called Reform and it basically improves your usability skills. So if you're someone who wants to learn how to do usability testing, improve usability of your product, build more user-friendly apps and websites in general, this is the right book to go for. The best part is it's not just for designers, it's for developers as well. So it's written in such a way that everyone can easily understand and there's a lot of graphical and illustrative expression. So you'll be able to understand everything through examples. The book itself is $39, but you can get a lot of the free chapters and resources for free from the website itself. It says get free chapters and tips, and that's all you need to get started. If you're interested, you can then go ahead and buy it later on. A multiplayer AI creation canvas. AI is just getting way ahead of the curve. So what it allows you to do is join creative rooms or start from scratch. So if you have a team, you can work together to build ideas. It's like brainstorming using AI. That's crazy. Now, this is the design community you've probably been waiting for. This is a community-led platform, which is basically great for building communities, ideas, getting jobs, trends, news, all of that good stuff. The aim of this cool little community is to not only just build a great network, but also learn together, find new jobs together, find new freelance work together. So if you're looking for freelance work, you can probably come here and you'll find some good partners to work around with. I think it's a really cute and fun little community. I think everyone should join. Now we have our Figmas, XDs, and sketches, but we also have this new little platform called Aaply, which is still in beta. It allows you to quickly create basic designs as if you were just brainstorming with these designs. It offers a lot of drag and drop facilities, so even product managers can get in and start designing with you. And the real focus here is building applications and designs using user journeys. So focusing on the journey, focusing on the UX. So this is very UX focused. It also focuses on other things like usability, creating paths, creating journeys, interaction design, etc. So if you're more into UX than just UI, this would be the right tool to go for. It's focusing on that area. It has all the necessary team building features, the collaboration features, as well as the versioning features to allow you to create and design at scale. Again, it's still in beta, it's early bird, so you can sign up to apply for the early bird. Alright, so that is it for today's video. Make sure you like this video if you want us to keep supporting me. Apart from that, go ahead, have a great New Year's. I will be enjoying with my family, you do too, and I'll see you guys next year as soon as the year starts. Until next time, take care, God bless.